Welcome learners to our brief tutorial on how to access assignment comments. Assignment comments are important for you and I because that's how I communicate to you how you got your points and where they were assigned for your assignment. And all of that information can be accessed on one tab in Canvas, so that's pretty cool. So follow me to the Grades tab. You're only one click away from finding your answers. Let's look for one of two icons. The first icon will be these two little comment boxes. You'll click that, and the comment here is nicely done. You can see for the score 9 out of 10, this student did nice work. So that's what the comment says. This assignment is 3 out of 5, so there must be some misunderstanding or some part of the assignment that has been graded either missing or I don't know. Let's see why there's only 3 out of 5 points. There's no point in guessing. Let's find out. Click instead of the two boxes, if you don't see the two boxes, click instead on the clipboard icon. The clipboard icon opens the rubric, and the rubric shows a breakdown of each category. So for the original post, which you can view the description of, there are full marks. But these reply posts, which the description gives me a good refresher of why did I miss points, I click the longer description and I see 0 points. The comment explains why. Your comments are missing from this section of the assignment. My goal in writing to you directly on assignment comments is to open a dialogue with you in case you'd like to bring this assignment to our office hours and ask questions and get clarity, or perhaps you'd like to send me an email asking me why you got the grade you did. So before you do that, and this goes for any professor, check out your assignment fully and see if there are any comments that have already been addressed. And from there, if you still have questions or would like to bring that with the assignment comments to office hours, then that gives us a really nice jumping off point. And I can say, oh, okay, let's see where exactly you're missing so I can know how to help you during our discussion and dialogue. So help me help you by reading assignment comments. I hope this empowers you to open up dialogues with not only me, because I would love that, but also all of your professors that you take in this class and any future classes. So have a wonderful, empowered rest of your day, and I look forward to communicating with you on all of our future assignments. Bye now.